Hello children, how are you? Morning all of you. So today we are going to do honeysuckle. Page number 109 and 1010. Okay? Vocation. On your way to school or market. Now when you come to school or you go to the market, you see many people at work. In pairs. Discuss what you have noticed. Now this we will do after you come to school. Okay? Yeah. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Gong means bell. When the bell rings and it's 10 in the morning. Every day I meet the hawker crying. Hawker means feria. They sell things, no? Bangles, crystal bangles. What do they say? Bangles. Bangles okay. Crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take. No place he must go to. No time when he must come home. So the hawker has got nothing. He doesn't have to see the time. He doesn't have to find a road. He has to not go to any place. He has to stay there only. Okay? I wish I were a hawker. The child is telling, I wish I were a hawker. Because school children, they have to come on time to school. They have to do their homework. They have to do so many things. So this hawker does not have to do anything. So he is very happy. He is telling, I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road, crying bangles, crystal bangles. Okay, I wish I was also a hawker. I can see through the gate of when at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school. At 4 o'clock their school is over. Our school starts in the morning 7:30 to 12:30. Their school is from 10 to 4. At 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school. I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. From the ground you will see the gardener. Gardener is digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets back in the sun or gets upset. Nobody is bothered. Even if he does his task. Nobody, even if he gets back in the sun he has to work in the sun. And he gets wet also. He becomes wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden. I wish I were a gardener. Then I don't have to go to school. With nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. In the evening, mommy will say, go to sleep. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The watchman is walking up and down. Watchman, chowki kare ne, chowkidar. The lane is dark and lonely. The lane where he is walking, it is dark and lonely. Nobody is there. And the street lamp stands, street lamp. Like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern, in a hatma lantern che, fanos, and walks with his shadow at his side. And at his side his shadow will walk. And never once goes to bed in his life. I have never seen the watchman sleeping. He never goes to bed. I wish I were a watchman walking in the street at night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So I will go behind the shadows with my lantern. Who has written this? Rabindranath Tagore. And this all PDF I will send you children. So you all prepare, okay?